And I'm Claire Kramer Mills. I work in the bank's outreach office. And as Kauser had noted earlier, we're really a bridge between the bank and Main Street. We work on housing, business, and consumer finance issues that are so critical to the economic vitality of our communities, region, and nation. Our office conducts a survey of small businesses twice a year, as has been noted. We work with more than 40 civic organizations and local governments to take the pulse of the small business community. Now, this information, you might ask, how is it used? Well, it's used by a number of the lenders who are in the room. I know that they have cited it in their materials. But it's also used, importantly, to inform national and local policymakers. For example, it has served as an input for helping shape business recovery programs post-Superstorm Sandy. It's also been used in partnership with local governments to shape programs targeted for specific industries, and I'll just name construction as an example. So I want to highlight a couple of key findings today, and then end by encouraging you to become partners if you're not already partners. This survey has grown hugely in the last 4 to 5 years, and we are ambitious. Currently we get about 1,500 responses, and we think we can double that. So we want your assistance. If you look in your folders on the left-hand side, you'll see a pamphlet that describes how to become our partner. So, a couple of key findings to just kick off today's conversation. As Bill noted, most firms tell us that they are seeking 100K or under in credit, mostly for day-to-day operations, but an encouraging sign is that we do see an increasing number that are telling us they need capital for expansion. The search costs for credit can be really high. Firms are reporting to us that they're spending 26 hours on average searching and applying for credit. And that's a good portion of a work week for a full-time employee. I'm going to highlight a couple of obstacles that firms have told us that they're encountering, and Maria Torres Springer highlighted some of these earlier when she spoke about small business services assistance to business owners who might have either been declined for credit or might not have received the full amount of credit sought. What we are uncovering as the key chief obstacles are insufficient capital, low credit scores, and in some cases, uneven cash flow or poor cash flow performance. On the right-hand side of this slide, you'll notice that firms who are not fully successful in obtaining credit are expressing interest in new financial institutions and new financing types, and that is a key element of our meeting today. So I want to just close and kick off the conversation by encouraging you to become our partners in administering the survey, and also encourage you to ping me with questions that you think we should be asking in our survey.